I asked a question.
Tell me something you do that's fun.
Nothing. I'll press the button.
No.
Whoopsie, I didn't quite hear you. Try again.
You're supposed to say it while holding onto the record button.
I what?
You hold onto the record button and then say it.
Push the red button, then say something.
Hold on to the red button.
And
When you hear the beep, say something.
I. The beep's fine.
Good answer. Next question. Tell me the name of things you wish you had a lot of.
Money.
Money. Good answer. Next question.
How much money? Here, no, I got confused. Here, you do it.